Hello, welcome in my course. Today I'm gonna be your guide to discover Photoshop step by step in no time. What you will do is be curious person, ask questions and follow what I will show you. So let's get started. We'll create new file, new. The major detail you have to pay attention to is the resolution. 300 for the print and 72 for the web. The resolution is the quality of details in our work. I will choose print preset A4. You can of course change the width and the height. Choose pixels, millimeters, centimeters, inch, etc. Your work title and create. To start Photoshop, we will talk about the menu bar here, file, edit, etc. Our tool bar, we will discover tool by tool. Our windows here, each window has a different row we will get used to, and here we can navigate between works, between files. File, new, create. Here you go, two different files. The part here is for details of each tool. To save a work, we can use the save as option. You can of course close all, etc. Close, for example. Open existing file, browse in Bridge, it's Adobe software. Open as, open recent, save as, export as PDF, for example. Generate image assets, share on social media, etc. using an app, on Gmail also. Share on Behance. Behance is Adobe app. Search on Adobe stock, there is images here. Place embedded, place linked, etc. We will see those things while practicing. You can navigate in your workspace using navigator, Windows, navigator, zoom in, zoom out. Here we go, navigate. You can do the same thing using our zoom tool. Zoom in, Alt, maintain Alt to zoom out. Click, up, up. You can of course navigate using the hand tool. And that's it.